everyone, I'm Ruby from Ruby's Bedtime Stories. How are you? I hope you've had a lovely day. Today I'm going to be reading Easter Bunny Blunders, Candies to be Saved, written and illustrated by Jaybie D. This book was sent to me from America. Before we read the book, what do you think it's going to be about? Does the front page or the title give you any clues? Are you ready to read this lovely book? Let's get reading. In a burrow so cosy, where magic was spun, lived Bryson the bunny, who made Easter fun. His basket was special, a magical door that led to his workshop with baskets galore. Hi, I'm Philip. Can't tell how many times you see me in the pages. So he's right there, so that's one. We'll have a look out for him. Just reach inside, through the bottom he'd go, to pull out a basket for each child to know. Can you find Philip? There he is. That's two. One fateful day, McKinley made a splash. The magic inside made a flicker, then crash. Fizzle whoosh, zing plop, psh. The basket's bright glow faded away. How would Bryson save Easter Day? Oh no! What do you think it's going to do? Can you see Philip? There he is, right there. Bryson rushed to his cousin, inventive and smart, Bentley the bunny, with a big caring heart. Don't worry, said Bentley. We'll find a way. My drones will deliver baskets. Up, up, and away. Think the drones are going to work? I hope so. Can you find Philip? Right there, it's the drone. Drones flew high, with baskets in tow, zipping along, all baskets in a row. Some sparkled with glitter, others shone bright. Filled with yummy treats, it was a magical sight. Can you find Philip? There he is. Some drones, so clumsy, zigged and zagged. Some bumped into trees, and others dragged. Boingity boing boing! Children woke up, thinking UFOs flew. They tugged on their parents. Look, it's all true. Wait, I see Philip on the curtain. How naughty. A dad in his slippers tripped over some shoes. Bloody ouch! And Mum called the cops with the wildest news. Yes, I said UFOs! Philip's on the chair. Bryson sighed, feeling pressure all day. This isn't working. I need a new way. Amid the chaos, his thoughts grew clear, recalling Mum's words from yesteryear. Their joy is the way, she'd always say, to keep magic alive on Easter Day. There's Philip, right on the Mum. That's it. They closed their eyes and whispered so low. Dear children, believe, let your happiness show. Your joy fuels the magic and keeps Easter bright. Please share it this Easter and make it all right. Now it's your turn to help. How do you think we're going to help? And Philip's right there. Wave your hands in the air. Now wiggle your feet. bring back Easter's magic to the basket complete. With giggles and wiggles, the magic will flow to bring back the Easter joy we all know. Now say this with me. Come on. Giggle, snot, wiggle and whoop. He, hoot. Do you think it's going to work? Do you think we've saved Easter? And I can see Philip there. The basket is glowing from all your cheer. Easter magic saved the best time of year. You did it. Take a bow. Quickly now, the sun's almost here. Hop away fast, the morning is near. And Philip is in the grass. That morning brought confusion and surprise all around. But don't worry, all the goodies were quickly found. Thank you for joining me today, children. I hope you enjoyed this lovely book. And a big thank you to Jaybie D for sending me this lovely book. What was your favourite part of the book? We saved Easter! Thank you. Bye!